Every morning, the same alarm, the same routine, trading hours for dollars. Millions of people spend their lives building someone else's dream. But what if your money could work harder than you ever could? That paycheck, it has a ceiling. Passive income doesn't. One night, everything changed. One search, one decision. He wrote down a goal, not a wish, a plan. There are two paths. One is safe. The other is free. He chose freedom. And so can you. This is the ultimate guide to building passive income streams. 80 ideas. Real strategies. Your future starts in the next 7 minutes. Number 1. YouTube automation channels. Content that earns while you sleep. Faceless channels in finance, motivation, and tech can generate thousands monthly. Number 2. Print on demand. Design once, sell forever. No inventory needed. You create the designs, machines handle the rest. Orders fulfilled automatically. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products, earn commissions on every sale.
One link in a blog post or video can pay you for years.
Number 4. Digital products. Write an ebook once, sell it 1,000 times. Your knowledge has value. Package it, price it, profit from it. Number 5. Online courses. Teach what you know on Udemy, Skillshare, or your own platform. Top instructors earn 6 figures from a single course. The content works 24/7. Number 6. Stock photography and footage. Beautiful images and clips sold thousands of times. Upload once to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty. Royalties flow in for years. Number 7. Blogging with SEO. Rank on Google. Earn from ads and affiliates passively. A single article can generate income for 5 years or more. Number 8. Build or invest in a SaaS product. Software people pay for monthly. Recurring revenue is the holy grail. Customers pay every single month. Number 9. Mobile apps. Build an app that solves one problem. Monetize with ads or subscriptions. Number 10. Automated dropshipping. Customers order, suppliers ship, you profit in between. Number 11. Paid newsletters. Build an audience. Charge for premium insights. Digital income has no ceiling, no commute, and no boss. Now let's talk about investments. Number 12. Dividend stocks. Own shares of companies that pay you quarterly, just for holding. Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Realty Income, they've paid dividends for decades. Number 13. Index funds. The S&P 500 has averaged 10% annually for decades. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Time is your greatest asset. Number 14. REITs. Own real estate without buying property. Collect dividends from rent. Number 15. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. Your money earns interest around the clock. Number 16. Bond laddering. Stagger bond maturities for consistent, predictable cash flow. Number 17. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money directly to borrowers. Earn interest like a bank. Number 18. Crypto staking. Lock your tokens. Validate transactions. Earn rewards. Number 19. Music royalties. Produce beats, ambient tracks, or lo-fi playlists. Streams pay forever.
Number 20. Book royalties. Authors earn from every copy sold, physical, digital, and audio.
Number 21. Rental properties. Tenants pay your mortgage and then some. After expenses, a single property can net you hundreds to thousands monthly. Number 22. Short-term rentals. A well-designed space can earn triple the normal rent. And number 23. Storage units. Low maintenance, high demand. People always need space. Number 24. Automated car washes. Machines do the work. Cash registers fill up. And number 25. Vending machines. Place them in high-traffic areas. Collect profits weekly. Number 26. Laundromats. Essential service businesses with consistent cash flow. Number 27. Own ATMs. Every transaction earns you a surcharge fee. Pure passive income. Money making money. That's the power of investment income. But we're only halfway there. Number 28. License your art and photography. Companies pay to use your creative work. Number 29. Mobile games. Idle and puzzle games earn ad revenue around the clock. Number 30. Rent your car on Turo. Your vehicle earns money while you stay home. Number 31. Rent your parking space. In busy cities, a single spot can earn hundreds monthly. Number 32. Sell design templates and photo presets. Create once, download forever. Number 33. Podcast sponsorships. Build an audience, then let brands pay to reach them. Number 34. Membership communities. Charge monthly for exclusive access, knowledge, and networking. Number 35. License beats and music. Producers sell the same beat to multiple creators. Number 36. WordPress plugins and themes. Millions of sites need tools. Yours could be next. Number 37, sell productivity templates. Notion and Airtable users pay for premium organization systems. Number 38, domain name flipping. Buy low, sell high. Premium domains are digital real estate. Number 39, build an API service. Developers pay per call. Scale is unlimited. Number 40, automated webinars. Record once, replay forever, sell on autopilot. Number 41, franchise ownership. Buy a proven system. Let managers run the daily operations. Number 42, own a billboard. Advertisers pay you monthly for prime visibility. Number 43, build a free online tool. Rank on Google, monetize with display ads. Number 44, white label products. Put your brand on existing products. Sell through your own store. Number 45, silent partnerships. Invest capital in a business. Earn profits without daily involvement. Number 46, AI-powered tools and chatbots. Build once. Let artificial intelligence serve your customers forever. 46 ideas down, each one a potential stream. Now, let's unlock the final tier. Number 47, build a marketplace. Connect buyers and sellers. Take a percentage of every transaction. Number 48, patent licensing. Invent something once. License the rights to manufacturers worldwide. Number 49, subscription boxes. Curate products monthly. Customers subscribe and receive joy on autopilot. Number 50, invention royalties. Create a product. License it to a major brand. Earn per unit sold. This is what passive income looks like. Earning while you live. No office, no commute, no alarm clock. Just freedom. Earn through smart systems. Passive income isn't about being lazy. It's about being present for what matters most. The most important investment you'll ever make is in your own knowledge. You don't need all 50 ideas. You just need one, and the courage to start today. Subscribe, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and start building your empire now.